Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these very simple alien earrings. Now the mold that I'm going to be using is from the Crafts and Glitter shop. I'll be leaving a discount code below for you. I absolutely love using these molds. They're not the normal silicone ones I tend to use. These ones are made from plastic, but I really do enjoy using them and I've had no problems so far. And all the resin and also the glitter I'll be using today is from Funshowcase. Once again, I will be putting a discount code in the description box below for you. Now, of course, you can use epoxy resin to do this, but I just like things to be quicker and easier, so I've gone for the UV resin choice, and I'm just using the white resin to do the eyes and the mouth because I know that they will stand out really well against the blue, green and yellow resin that I have chosen. I love using these transparent coloured resins here from Funshowcase because it's already mixed up for you, and I just think that the pigments are absolutely beautiful. They do tend to be a little bit on the airy side though, so I would definitely advise you to use something to pop those bubbles, whether it's a toothpick, a pin, a little like metal tool like what I'm using here, or even a heat gun, just to make sure that you don't get any bubbles in your final piece. This lime green glitter though, oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? It's very, very alien-like. Now, not only do I use a small lamp, but I also do pop my pieces into a bigger lamp as well, just to make sure that they have a full cure. I literally gasped when I took these out of the mold because even though they haven't yet been domed, you could still see just how gorgeous and sparkly that they were. The colours are super vibrant. I really did love the way that they turned out. So now what you can see I'm doing here is just sanding off the edges, making sure everything is nice and smooth before I dome the back. And I'm then going to be putting on a little bail at the top, and that's going to be there for me to hook in my little earring finding later on. I would actually love to know in the comment section below which combination of colours you would use if you had the chance to make alien earrings like this. I really do love seeing the blue, green and yellow together, but I'd love to know if you have any other ideas because I am definitely going to be making some more of these for myself. These are actually going to be for somebody else, so you won't be seeing me popping them into my ears for a little reveal shot, but I think that they're absolutely stunning. Let me know what you think because like these for me are just gorgeous. I love the way as well that the blue chain exactly matches the blue resin. The pigments are gorgeous. They've come out super glossy, really shiny, especially whenever you have the light shining on it as well. Yeah, I really do enjoy this. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.